Hey everyone, today we are installing the budget disc brake kit offered by James Duff, and we're going to show you all of the components that come inside this box. We're also going to show you how you can upgrade this kit to an all more inclusive one with all the parts you need when you're upgrading to disc brakes. Make sure that you check out the install video for this kit. You can find it in the description below. As you can see, we're gonna unbox the caliper mounting brackets, the rotors, the installation instructions, very important, and of course new calipers and hardware. And I'm also gonna check the index on here and make sure that everything that's on the instruction sheet is also included. Make sure that your calipers are left and right. The biggest reason why you'd want to choose this kit is it's affordable. You know, it's got all the components you need to swap your Dana 30 or Dana 44 drum front axle to disc brakes. It comes with the two rotors, it comes with the two calipers, and of course you got your caliper mounting brackets, your spacers, and new studs and new bolts for to mount the caliper mounting brackets. And also you have new hoses that go to your hard lines, and installation instructions, which are also very key to making the kit go on easy. One of the things that's not included in the kit is going to be the stock Ford spindles and your stock Ford hubs. That actually is one of the great features of this kit that keeps it so budget friendly. But just keep in mind that you are going to have to send these hubs either to your local machine shop, or you're going to have to send them back to James Duff, and they're going to do a quick turn of this face right here so your new rotors can fit right up against them. Now, the premium kit actually comes with all the other supporting components, those being a power booster assembly and a new master cylinder, also a proportioning valve that also comes with the wiring and the tool to bleed it properly, and of course you'll need some new lines and the fittings to go with them. That really rounds out the kit in case you don't have them. The cool part is if you already have some of these things, you can just choose what you need and then add it to the budget kit. Also, there's some great add-ons that you might want to consider, like wheel bearings. Since you're going to be reusing your stock Ford hubs and spindles, you can also buy wheel bearings and seals from James Duff. Also, your spindle nut kit. Here's another great add-on, the worn premium hubs. These are your lockouts, you can also add those. Also, don't forget tools. We've got the spindle nut socket you can also get at James Duff. So even with all of these add-ons and everything together, this is still a really budget-friendly kit. And so that's why we went with James Duff. Check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to watch our install video where we show you how to put all these parts in our budget-friendly disc brake swap. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.